Hello everybody, today we're here in my barn and we have a slingshot and we're about to do some target practice. After target practice we're going to head out into the woods and see if we can kill a bird. So without further ado, let's get the video. Alright, come up here with the second shot. See what we can do. Alright. The target practice is over. Let's go to the bird hunt. He got the bird! Where'd he go? Where did he go? Look at the feathers flying down. Where did you get it? Look at that. He hit the bird. Dude, he stinking dropped him. See you next time. Make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching. Please watch this video so we can get viewers, and subscribe so we can get subscribers.